you get what's left of me. You got the best of me.
Imagine a man saying that to you. Sorry, she got the best of me, you get what's left of me. Hopefully you got your best back by the time you get with me.
I used to take myself out on dates, open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get the steak.
Okay, hi guys. So it is days later. I might probably still add this to my MLB vlog, probably. I don't know. I was like, okay, maybe I'll do concealer, I'll do maybe a little light makeup. Girl, I'm doing my whole freaking routine. What? I didn't do no eyeshadow? Like, come on now, sis. So I would say doing my makeup every day for the past for 4 days in a row for All-Star, NBA All-Star, NBA, MLB. I don't know. I loved it. I liked looking at myself. I liked how I looked presentable. Like, I'm okay without wearing makeup. 9 times out of 10, I'm not wearing makeup. But I don't know. I just felt like wanting to put some on today. My forehead. I didn't even put makeup on my forehead. I use the One Size products. If you've seen those videos on TikTok that I posted, and the One Size products, for my opinion, work so well. I'm probably gonna use them 24/7. I need to leave at 8:20 by 8:25. Oh, in 4 minutes to be at his house on time. So, but yeah, I'm going to his house, and then he always drives. So, if you know me, especially if it comes to drinking, girl, I'm not driving. But I mean, he likes driving. I don't know. I'm gonna ask him if he likes driving or what. He always is driving. Yesterday, I had some sports videography shoots. I had 2 of them that I did yesterday. When I get there, he's not ready. He always be like, every time I get there, no matter how late I am, this man's still getting ready. He just texts me, get to my house at 9 though. Are any of y'all in relationships? I can't reply obviously, but if you're in a relationship, how's that going for you? What does it feel like? Because for me, I don't want to speak too much, but I feel like all of it's just really kind of stressful. I feel like you spend so much of your time basically begging men to do you right and take you serious, and then when someone does, you're like, ah! Crazy. So I don't know. I'm debating on what I'm gonna do for this guy's birthday. It's coming up. And I was talking to my friend about it, and I was like, please, if he was somebody who didn't treat me right, guess what, girl, the birthday would have been planned 2 months ago. Everything you could imagine would have been set in place, and now you talking about should I get him something? I don't know. Girl, what are you talking about? You sound crazy. This girl asked about my lip combo, so I'm about to record it, I think, for TikTok really quick. For lover boys, so the fuck could have y'all just been really into this, y'all, getting ready, putting on makeup, especially because if you know me, I'm usually rushing to places that I go. If it's in the morning, yeah, I'm not doing that. Do you guys okay, so when it comes to dating, have you guys been with someone who is of a different religion than you, or also a different culture than you? If so, let me know those experiences. That's what I want to know. I want to know what the vibes are. How is this battery about to die? They not like us. Just another late night. Oh, just another late night with my bitch.
Yeah, she said almost, honestly.
Oh my goodness. My memory card, I guess, broke, so now I need to get a whole new SD card, which I have 2. I had 3 technically, now I have just 2 left. Anyways, we're headed out to go to Bible study. I'm trying to debate on 2 impulsive decisions that I'm gonna do. Okay, well, I'll make it in time. So we're gonna head there. We're going to Sephora. I'm sitting here I know I've seen one. Yo! I'm just hurry up and put this lip combo on real quick. Kennedy. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. My lips is a little too much, apparently. Whatever, we're going to church, basically, so it doesn't really matter. I'm doing too much. I don't know, y'all. It's a black girl. Do I like it? Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. What are you doing? Yeah. Okay. We are back home. We're back from picked up a new notebook at Target because my black one has like a little bit of pages left. So I'm gonna leave that out for leave it just for journalism, not journalism, for therapy, because I've also been debating on getting a management team now. My friend was like, I can send you over who I use. I might use them on my C. She just was like talking about some of these brand deals like that, like the bigger, like the more money she's able to get. And I'm at a point where like taking care of myself is massively important. But Bible study was really good tonight. I liked the girls, I liked the leaders, I liked everything about it, so that's good. This is my first time going to this group and everything, so it was nice. Watch this. Speak. Good boy. Oh, my baby. Right now we're at Bear's dog training. Okay, so we're at PetSmart right now, and I'm picking up, he needs some more toothpaste. This one is for tartar control because he has fresh breath one and it's got messed up. The breeder just said like I need to make sure that I'm brushing his teeth every day unless he's gonna get them clean. So now we gotta get his food, which is down here. So it is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I don't know if I vlogged yesterday. It doesn't matter. Girl, today is an eventful day. Oh, he's so cute. Okay, anyways. So we're at, first of all, today's not an event. Oh, it's a little eventful. I'm gonna go do this man's hair tonight. It's like I gotta pick up some products. He said we could go when I get off work, but I get off of work at, what time I get off work? At 8:30. Like, I think the hair supply store should be closed by then. So I'm gonna go. By the way, I'm loving, I forgot how this feels on your lips, and I love it. I just found my old one, the original pack for the vanilla one. Anyways, I'm like learning this man's language. Okay, hold on. I'm like learning some new languages. Google Translate. Give me a minute. Anyway, so I need to go just pick up a couple of things. I mean, some stuff we probably could get at Walmart or something that would still be open. But I get off at 8:30, and by the time it gets to my house, like, I mean, Walmart still will be open. But anyways, I don't know when the hair store closes, so I need to go pick up a couple of little things real quick for his hair. I need to go pick up my sewing machine today. I'm gonna go pick that up before I go to work as well. My sewing machine, because we got some things coming. Just to know, we got some stuff coming. Okay, period. So I need to get rubber bands. I might go ahead and buy this mousse. I mean, because he's buying it technically. If he wants to just keep it for himself, but it's just like, I don't know. I got mousse at home. But you know what? I'm probably going to end up using like all of it. So I'll probably go ahead and get that. Yeah, get some mousse, rubber bands. I need to get these clips to help with the shrinkage. Because you don't know, I know how to twist if you don't know. So we got to go get these products in here. I forgot to have my watch on. So I'm like, I wonder if he's gonna need some oil that needs to be put on my hair every night. Okay, I'm super excited I'm here. I was like, realize we made it to Joann's. Can you see it? Yeah, you see it. To pick up my sewing machine, but I realized I didn't get anything to, you know, like, sew tonight, but I won't be sewing. I forgot to change. Oh, hold on, I'm driving again. Give me 2 seconds, y'all. Give me 2 seconds. But we have the sewing machine. That is the first step to this new legacy that I don't know if that's even the right word I want to use. It is considered legacy, but you know, my new adventure, my new source of income, my new brand, part of my brand, maybe what I'm trying to say, like a part of like, what is it? You know, like we have a brand, but it's like, girl, I can't think of it. We'll think of it later. But anyways, part of just basically my new, you know, like, girl, what is it? Steve. Oh, I mean, is it part of my brand? But you know what I mean? I don't know. I can't think straight. And I put my heart on it. That song's gone. Don't try to stop me when I leave. So anyways, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Okay, so we're heading right now. I don't know if I've told y'all on camera, I can't remember, but Bath & Body Works is having their $12 candle sale for the big 3-wick one. And then we gotta go to Hobby Lobby before they close. So I can't be all indecisive because Hobby Lobby, I'm gonna definitely be indecisive. I gotta buy stuff for my sewing machine. So tired. We have therapy tonight at 8:30. We love that. I'm gonna just get my mahogany. What's it called, y'all? Mahogany Teakwood Intense is my favorite. The Baccarat one I have also smells really good. I'm trying to remember, like, they're all going out. Got this last go around because I needed some very strong scents to help with my apartment, and it seems to be working when it comes to my dog. So yeah, let's just go see what we can find. I was not thinking I should have brought my Oakleys with me in here because I need to get the piece to my sunglasses fixed. It fell off when I was at work on Wednesday, and I'm devastated about it. Yeah, it says this weekend only for $12.95 free with candles. I'm so slow. Here's the candles. This one here. I'm good. How are you? That was a good one. So is this one. She convinced me to get this one, so we're gonna get this one. Yep. Okay, so we're out of there. It took a little longer because the lady was like helping me give me input because 2 of the candles I have right now are actually seasonal candles. How depressing. So this one's a seasonal one, but it did smell really good, so I went and got it. But it's 7:40, so that gives us probably, let's say, 15 minutes or so to go in here and pick out all of our stuff. Oh, I'm like blurry. Do I at all know what I'm doing? No, but I'm back here with fabrics. I'm not just going to turn around and go home. Maybe I'll go home and make a list. What all do you need to use a sewing machine or something? Girl, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, I don't want that. What am I doing? First, I think I'm supposed to look in the book. And then in the book is when I will find where our number I need. Ooh, 252. What's sportswear? No, that caught my eye. Sportswear? How is this sportswear? These are regular ass clothes. What sportswear are you wearing this? Journalism? Sports journalism? Or this is a joke? How y'all gonna disrespect? How could y'all disrespect sportswear like this? Calling it sportswear. Up my... Okay, see, that's sportswear.
I'll be letting the shoppers time now 7:50 and we'll be closing in the next 10 minutes.
Is it hot in here or is it just me? I'm so high in here from smoking on this weed. Told I'm gonna take a shot on 3. Told them drinks, it's on me. Is it hot in here or is it just me? I'm so high in here from smoking on this weed. Gonna take a shot on 3. Drinks, it's on me. Drinks on me. I said now go take a shot on me. Only drug the bitches on is the tree. But I lasted 10 rounds.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm good. It's so nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I just did that. She had a friend who was also an influencer. I'm like, I'm happy to talk to her. I'm like, any friend and uses.
What? I just had a meeting with a manager who I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna sign with her. Well, she works for an agency on top of being just a manager, and that was amazing call. Like, it got everything I needed to know. Like, I'm excited. I'm excited. Like, even just talking to her, she was like, yeah, she was just off the top of her head, like able to think of like partners that I could work with and things like that. And like any way that I can elevate my content is important to me, and I'm excited. I'm excited. Like, although yes, it's nice to get paid, but for me, I feel like the more value I add to my followers, the more like I'll grow, you know? And some of these partnerships clearly are adding value, can help me grow. So it was really good. I'm gonna sign with her. She's gonna send over the contract. I'm gonna read it and everything, and I'm like excited. Cause like I told her, I said, grab a Pinterest board. Like, I am ready. I have all these. I'm actually excited. I'm so motivated for this football season. Today's Monday. I'm off today. Hi, Bear. I'm gonna take care of Bear, and then we gotta run a couple errands today, and we got work to do today, y'all. We're about to be booked and busy. Okay, so I was about to leave, and I saw in the mail today while I was about to walk out, Bear's bed came. Yeah, so I'm gonna put it together when I get back. I was headed up here because the piece on my Oakleys came off, so yeah. Yeah, the nose piece came off. I said, excuse me. Okay, so we're in, oh, that's never happened before. We're in the car. I also think too, I'm gonna stop at Walgreens. See, I need to pick up my medicine too, girl. I need to do that as well. Anyways, I just voiced noted my friend to tell her about my meeting with my manager.
Every night, different times. You get what's left of me. She got the best of me.
Imagine a man saying that to you. Sorry, she got the best of me, you get what's left of me. Hopefully you got your best back by the time you get with me. Anyways, we're at Walgreens right now. I need to tell them about my medicine. We're at Target now. I'm picking up a few things I need to get before we head home. Okay, we're back home. I'm about to eat this Caesar salad and drink this ginger ale. Then we'll take Bear for a walk. It's 7:44 right now, and he's getting into things, as you can hear. Regrouping. We're gonna talk later.
Welcome to Love Island USA. After the recoupling, Hannah is not happy with Hakeem. She's not happy. Think if turquoise squeezed into an economy seat.
I'm glad Hakeem like Carter.
I'm pissed, to be honest. I'm really fucking mad right now.
Hakeem. I don't like Hakeem because he looks like he get into arguments with girls.
Asian was like, maybe Hakeem gave me everything I needed to know.
Right.
To know that I made the right decision
You did.
by choosing Kendall. So I really don't like how he's coming at me. I'm just over it.
Your feelings are valid. At the end of the day, you gotta go with your heart, and kind of hate you can just keep moving. How you gotta move?
It's like out with the old, and I'm just gonna try something new and see how it goes.
I'm really glad we're coming.
Yeah.
Okay, that was so good. We're gonna eat another one. This one though is the Santa Fe style salad. Basically, I be trying to call it, it's a Mexican salad, fiesta salad. They have this one here at Target and Walmart. After Mama eats this one, then I'm gonna take you out for a walk. I promise. Am I low-key being a big back bear? Is Mama being a big back? I did get stuff to make teriyaki bowls tonight, but I'm so tired and it's basically 8 o'clock. I didn't get, okay, so I have my meeting with my manager. Besides that, I didn't get any content done, but I had life errands and life stuff to manage today. So I did do all of that. I'm gonna eat this when I get back. That might just kind of be my dinner, that and then my cinnamon roll for like dessert. Bear has training in the morning at 9 a.m. But of course I'll vlog with y'all again. We'll go over my night routine and stuff together. But I've been writing for like 2 hours on dating stuff. Now I'm gonna go get a root beer with Bear. Honestly, should we get a root beer or Sonic? You look good, babe. You look good. Yeah, I know. I'm obsessed with this, by the way. I'm addicted to this. We'll talk about it later. This is a dark ass angle, but let's go. Okay, so although I did not get a chance to make my bed this morning because I woke up just too late when I took him to training. Let me send this email over. So I went ahead and made it though. Let's go head out to work my little shift tonight, and then we'll be back and we've got source content we gotta work on. So there's all that there. Bro, sometimes I think this is dumb. He like, girl, be quiet.